Y'all, now we're getting ready to make a coconut lemon curd cake. I am using a yellow cake mix, y'all. And I'm following the directions on the cake.
1 1/3 cup of water.
3 eggs.
Half a cup of oil.
This is gonna be delicious because it's got my all-time favorite recipe for the frosting. We're gonna make a 7-minute icing. But in between these wonderful layers of cake, we're gonna have lemon curd. So just beat that up good, Michael.
Okay.
Or here, let me help you. Let's just do it like this.
Okay.
And that'll help it go faster. And while I'm doing this, if you would spray the pans.
I'll do it.
And don't be stingy. All the corners and crevices. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna divide this cake batter now.
Okay, I can do that.
Between those 2 pans.
I can do that.
And I'm gonna take my other set of beaters because I'm gonna need this to make our frosting. Now, this 7-minute frosting, I call it like divinity icing because it is like divinity candy.
How long does it take?
7 minutes. It's called a, you're tricking me. It's called a 7-minute icing. So I'm gonna separate my 2 eggs with 1/3 of a cup of water. I don't need the yolks, y'all. I just need the whites.
Okay, Paula, I'm put the cakes in the oven 350 for 30 minutes.
Okay, check on them after about 25 minutes, y'all.
Okay.
All right, so into my bowl, I'm gonna add 1 1/2 cups of white sugar, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cream of tartar, and a pinch of salt. Now, what I want you to do is, and in goes our egg whites. So what I want you to do is just take that and mix up those ingredients real good.
Okay.
And we're gonna start our 7 minutes as soon as we set the bowl on top of our boiling water. And then you're gonna see a wonderful love affair going on between the sugar, the water, the egg whites.
And me.
And you, yes, Michael Groove and a piece of cake. You've never seen such a love affair. All right, now you want to turn that up pretty high, Michael.
Okay. Higher?
Now, I think 7 is as high as it'll go.
I know, that's what I was gonna tell you.
You have to be careful. If it's raining outside, this icing will not work. The humidity will not allow it to get thick. So, time us now 7 minutes. So you just keep beating, Plow Boy. Keep beating. Don't make me have to beat you.
Cake time. What you want me to do?
I want you to go over there and get the lemon curd.
I wanted to do the
No.
7-minute icing.
No. I am gonna very gently, y'all, because I cut our 2 cake layers in half. So I'm gonna very gently sit that on some pieces of wax paper, y'all. Now we've heated up an 11-ounce jar of store-bought lemon curd. I need for you to zest that lemon. All right, perfect.
Perfect.
All right, so we're gonna take our lemon curd and we're gonna put a couple of dollops.
Okay.
And we're gonna just spread that around. And heating it up, y'all, just makes it nice and easy to spread. And then, all right, little icing. I'm just gonna spread that out, Michael, on top of that lemon curd.
Perfect.
And now I'm gonna take a little coconut and I'm gonna sprinkle a little coconut in there. All right, now for the second layer. A little lemon curd. All right, a little coconut. Okie doke. Now the third layer.
It's gorgeous.
It looks great. All right, our last
Put that other
layer.
layer on there.
Oh. I'm gonna take our divinity icing, Michael, and I'm gonna kind of drop it right on the edge of my cake. And then I'm gonna take that, and then I'm gonna work it down. And I'm gonna frost my sides first. All right, now I'm gonna take our coconut, and I want you to watch now. I'm gonna nestle my hand very close to the sides of that cake. And my hand is gonna help that coconut stick to the sides. Great time of day. What you think?